My love, started read your poem.
This is my poem number 156. The title is A Pure and a Bright as a Golden Sun, Little Pure and Yellow Bird. A pure golden, bright as a beautiful shining sun. Little golden, pure, bright, all yellow feathered bird, my heart of love it has won. For one special, long-lasting, beautiful minute, this little bird was on a big bush with a red stem of a flower, just resting and glowing in the morning sun with beautiful yellow feathered power. The pure yellow bird was amazingly beautifully covered from toe to shoulder completely in feathers of bright golden yellow. Truly amazingly, uniquely, spectacularly beautiful. Only the little yellow bird's head was all light gray colored full, but not any bright, beautiful feathers of yellow. This yellow little bird was glowing in a bush, tip-top red flowered branch, this early morning so happy and beautifully and stunningly bird pretty, golden pure yellow, and unforgettably bright. This pure, golden, beautiful, pretty, amazing yellow bird stays in my heart and mind with positive, happy delight. I wrote this poem on 18 April 2022.
You excellent. You number one on a planet.